Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to share your AirTag with a family member on iOS 17. So, if you're looking to learn how to do this, stick around and follow along with me until the end. First things first, make sure you have an AirTag already set up and linked to your device. Once that's done, go ahead and open the Find My app. In the Find My app, tap on the Devices tab. From here, you'll need to tap the plus icon to add a new AirTag. If you already have an AirTag connected, just select it from the list. Next, tap on the Add Person option for that specific AirTag. You'll be able to choose up to 5 people from your contacts to share the AirTag with. Once you've selected your contacts, hit Send. After you've sent the invitation, your chosen family members can track the AirTag through Find My and use precision finding to locate it. It's that simple. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.